Shifting focus now, the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy's sister Y.S. Sharmila has now announced that she will be floating her own political party on the 8th of July. That is the birth anniversary of Y.S. Rajashekhar Reddy, and also will be contesting elections in the year 2023. Here's an update.
She stormed the political scenario of Telangana with a bang. Y.S. Sharmila, sister of Andhra Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy and daughter of former Chief Minister Y.S. Rajashekhar Reddy, has announced the launch of her political party.
The launch of Y.S. Sharmila's party has been announced at Khammam district in Telangana. Y.S. Sharmila, addressing the people of Khammam, stated that on the birthday of Y.S. Rajashekhar Reddy, late Chief Minister of United Andhra Pradesh, Y.S. Sharmila has announced that on 8th of July, Y.S. Sharmila will be launching a party in the state of Telangana to fight, to question the Chief Minister of Telangana, K. Chandrasekhar Rao, over his promises which are not being fulfilled for the people of Telangana.
She shared the stage with her mother, sending out a message that there is no rift within the family.
कांग्रेस पार्टी, बीजेपी पार्टी, दो पार्टी नेशनल पार्टी से, वो नेशनल पार्टी इश्यू के बारे में फाइट करने के लिए फेल हुआ. अभी टीआरएस पार्टी तेलंगाना का बारे में उद्यम पार्टी के बार के वो बात बोल के लोगों की वोट ले लिया, फिर उन लोगों की कुछ भी संक्षेम नहीं दिया, डेवलपमेंट नहीं दिया.
Backed by staunch YSR family supporters, Sharmila hopes to strike a chord with the people of Telangana by raising issues pertinent to the state.
के साथ हमारे को काम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हम इतने स्ट्रांग हैं तेलंगाना में कि इंडिपेंडेंट शर्मिला जी अपनी गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म कर सकती हैं और काफ़ी इनके एमएलएज आएंगे और 2023 में शर्मिला जी यहाँ के तेलंगाना के सीएम रहेंगे.
Sharmila has announced that her party will not ally with any other political party and will be a force to reckon with in the state elections in 2023. Can Sharmila manage to dent KCR's vote share and turn around the political scenario in Telangana that is mainly dominated by TRS? Or will it just become a vote cutter party?
It remains to be seen. On the birth anniversary of late CM Y.S. Rajashekhar Reddy, Y.S. Sharmila is all set to launch a mega political party, and she has promised that in the year 2023 she will become the Chief Minister and work for the people of Telangana.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.